Hello students, welcome back to your chemistry class. I have done your PT1 course. I hope you got your materials, that means question answers also. So no need of writing those question and answers in your copy. You just take the printout of the materials and read and learn those materials, and this is applicable for all the subjects. Now today I'm going to start your half yearly course. One chapter is there. I hope you already have seen that synthetic fibers and plastics. This chapter is required for your half yearly. So today I'm going to start this chapter. But first you prepare your PT1 course. Go through the book line by line and then concentrate in half yearly course. So today let's start the new chapter. So students, you got about fibers and fabrics in class 6 and 7 also. What is a fiber? A fiber is a very thin thread-like strand from which cloth is made. Is called a fiber. Fibers are twisted to make yarn, and yarn is made into fabrics or clothes by the process of weaving or knitting. Then these fabrics or clothes are made into different dress materials. Fibers are of two types: natural fiber and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are the fibers which are obtained from natural raw materials, that is from plants and animals. For example, cotton, flax, jute, wool, silk, etc. Synthetic fibers are made by human beings, and the raw materials are obtained from different chemicals. The raw materials which are used for making synthetic fibers are called petrochemicals. That means the chemicals obtained from petroleum origin. And the synthetic fibers are made in factories by the process of polymerization. The synthetic fibers are also called polymers. Now, what are polymers? A polymer is a very big molecule formed by the combination of a large number of small molecules. When a large number of small molecules are joined or combined together to make a huge molecule, then we get synthetic fibers. And thus, the synthetic fibers are called polymers. Polymers are a very big molecule and which are obtained from small molecules. The small molecules which are joined together to form a polymer are called monomers. So monomers are joined together to form polymers. Polymers are of two types. That means polymers can be of natural also and synthetic also. Polymers are present in nature. We can say cotton, flax, jute, these all are natural polymers. Cotton is made of a natural polymer which is called cellulose. Cellulose is present in the walls of all plant cells. Cellulose is a polymer and which is made by a natural substance, that is glucose. Glucose is the monomer of cellulose. That means many glucose molecules are joined together to form cellulose. Synthetic polymers can be like synthetic fibers and plastics. All synthetic fibers and plastics are synthetic polymers. So when monomers are joined together, it produces polymers. And the process of making polymers by the combination of monomers is called polymerization.